Happy Sunday, everybody. Today is June 28th. It's my birthday. Thank you to everybody who's reached out and wished me happy birthday. On Messenger, text, phone, whatever, Facebook. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm going to share with you how the day went. June 28th. An important day that should be marked on everybody's calendar. Was it not marked on ours? Yeah, happy birthday to me. Vision board is from literally 10 years ago initially. Time to update that. No time for that today. We're going on an adventure. Hey, Sue, where are we going?
Downtown.
People want to know.
Downtown, Vancouver, the big city.
That is the biggest line so far. Huge. We found a pub. Of course we did. It was an Irish pub. Of course it was. And that's what we called home for the game. It's like an hour and a half before game time. Good thing we came early. It's like 15 minutes before game time. It's packed, and we're probably not getting any food. That many. The man house. Oh, thanks. Okay, it's game time. Let's go!
Let's go!
Of course, the game was super, super exciting. Canada kind of had control of the game. At least I felt that way. And the crowd had lots of oohs and ahs. A lot of close chances. That was the end of the first half. That was exciting, but nothing really happened. And then finally, in the second half, we got to the second half, and we scored. are through the worst of it now. That was chaos. A lot of people, a lot of chanting. All right, so we went downtown, we came, we saw, we're going home. Get me out of here. So that's my brief story on how today went. Thank you all for stopping and watching and wish me happy birthday. That's it for me for now. Bye.